Okay, here's a diagramming experiments example. We have 50 volunteers for an experiment, and we want to see if wearing a cloth mask affects test performance. And so we want to sketch a diagram for that experiment. And so there's an example or two of this in the textbook, but here's really kind of what I'm looking for. You want to start off with your subjects here. And a lot of times a diagram is a lot easier way than trying to write out all the different aspects to this, but we're going to start off with our 50 volunteers. We will split them into two groups, and we're going to split them in about evenly. And our group 2, 25 volunteers, and then maybe this group is going to take the test with the mask, and then this group will take the test without the mask. And then what we're going to do is we're going to compare. What would we compare? Well, we're going to compare the means from each group. Compare mean test score from each group. Of course, one of the big things of an experiment is that we want it to have it randomized, and so it's really important that our randomization happens here at the beginning when we divide the volunteers into two groups. So it's a nice randomized comparative experiment where we've got a fairly large group size in there. We want to test more, we want to use as large a group as we possibly can. We want a randomization happening between those two. And then we want to be specific over here about what we're comparing at the end. So that's what a diagram should look like.